Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. It's your girl Ebony Rose, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so look, we're gonna get right into it. I know my wig is looking a little crazy right now, but it's okay because we're about to get right into the video. We ain't gonna waste no time. As you can see from the title, your girl's gonna try to revamp wig. So I got this wig from Amazon about a year ago, I believe, and I did post a video, but I think I deleted it like recently because I'm just trying to start my whole channel over or whatever. Anyways, y'all, this is a T-part wig. As you can see, I did wash it like a few minutes ago, blow dried it. It's still a little damp, but we're gonna let it air dry. You're gonna see a little bit of the glue here and there, but it's okay. So basically, the problem with the wig is here. I don't know if y'all can see, but the tracks are showing. So some kind of way, I am going to try my best to do like an illusion part maybe over the tracks. So I'll be able to wear the wig. Because I've been wearing Bobisha for the longest, and y'all, I haven't flat ironed or anything. I'm honestly tired of wearing it. I can make you look nice. I just recently found my straightening comb. So we're gonna try to make it do what it do with this, okay? So if you guys are still tuning into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be making more videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share with your friend, your cousin, your family, your brother, sister, cousin, mother, or share with them. Right, y'all, so I am not 100% prepared for this video, but it's okay because I'm gonna have to make it work regardless because I'm tired of wearing this one. But what I have here is some track hair, some old track hair that I had used for a sewing, I believe. And I'm just gonna brush it out. Just brush it out a little bit. I'm gonna get some scissors real quick. I'm gonna cut out the piece that I need, and then I'm gonna cut the tracks off right here. And I'm gonna take some hair glue and I'm gonna try to show y'all. I hope y'all can see that because I'm in my mood, baby. It's the new girl comfortable, okay? Alright, y'all, so do not mind my rusty dusty scissors, okay? I just found them. I couldn't find my other ones. So basically, I had already started cutting it because I'm also making a TikTok video. But all I'm doing is just cutting off the weft right here, like this. Okay, see? And basically, all I get left with is, basically, I'm just going to take the track hair, and y'all see where the tracks are at. I'm just going to lay it on top there with the glue. I'm going to try to get a clip in, but if I can't, y'all, please don't be mad, okay? Like, if y'all want a real detailed video, I'm going to show y'all, I promise. Alright, y'all, so I got the mannequin head here with me, and I'm just going to calm it down kind of so y'all can see. It's real hard doing this, y'all. I don't have half of the stuff that I really need for this, but I'm going to make it work, okay? So basically, I'm just going to calm down the stuff so I can get a clear view of the parting area. And I'm going to start the process. But it's got to be real, real tedious, so. Alright, so now y'all see the track that's showing. I'm going to place the hair on top of the track. If y'all know what the illusion part is, that's basically all I'm doing. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm just putting a little bit of glue there, like such. And I'm just going to take a little piece at a time. Literally, a little piece of the hair. And I'm just going to place it on there. And you just want to kind of press down right there. And I'm going to show you how the finished look, okay? I'm just going to comb it out a little bit just to make sure some of the hair that didn't stick can come out. See, like I had a little bit right here that came out. It's kind of like whenever you pluck a wig, you want to comb it, you know, just to make sure. And the hair do have some kind of brown in it if you guys see it. But I'm going to cover up this part right here. Y'all can't see it, it ain't focusing. But I'm going to cover up that part. What I'm about to do is I'm about to take some black hairspray. And so right now, y'all, I'm just kind of plucking the knots out before I go ahead and color it because I want to make sure I got it even and right because I'm known for mixing it up. So, all right, y'all. So this is how the part looks now on the wig, and honestly, I do have to work on it because I mean the part is entirely too small. But I don't know how it's showing on camera, but the part is too skinny, and I wanted to y'all. So this is how the wig looking so far. I do have to go back in with some more concealer and put right there. But as of now, this is how it is looking, and I'm so excited because it looked like I revamped it, and it's looking real cute. Now, it ain't all the way together yet, but just give me a little time, okay? I'm about to get it together. All right, y'all. So I'm actually recording content, like I said earlier, for YouTube and TikTok. So I'm trying my best, y'all. This is my first layer right here, and I'm gonna fix my part and stuff afterwards. I know I said I was gonna come back whenever I was done putting everything together, but I just wanted to show y'all I'm using the bow hole glue. Alright, you guys, so for the most part this is the finished look of the wig. Honestly, I am not fooling with it anymore. I'm tired of freaking going back and forth with it. It didn't work out. I used the black can hairspray that honestly didn't do what it was supposed to do. I don't know, like I'm not really a wig expert. I can make a wig, but as far as doing all this revamp and stuff like this, yo, I'm like, I need to let this glue get a little tacky, a little old, so I can rip this son of a gun off, okay? But thank y'all so much for watching the video. If y'all have any tips and tricks on how to get rid of this and do it the right way, please feel free to comment down, let them below. Leave them down below. Y'all, I'm finna go get my day started.